And alright, welcome back to Maro's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be dealing with the South Africans on how to set up HTTP Custom VPN application on Vodacom South Africa. To this, open Google Chrome, but before opening Google Chrome, let us open Google Play Store and I show you the application I'm going to be setting in today's tutorial. So I'm going to be searching HTTP Custom, that one, and then I'm going to install this Android device in my Android phone. I'm going to install this Android application in my Android phone. Then after installing the HTTP Custom AI Alternate VPN in your Android phone, now let us go and open the application. Remember that this tutorial is for educational, research and information purposes only. You are not reliable to what users will access. Users may be using this application at their own risk, and users must first accept the internet service providers' terms and conditions before continuing to use this application. Let us we are seeing the HTTP Custom outline, how it looks like the dashboard. Let us go to Google Chrome, and then I'm going to be showing you what you are going to be doing. And then go where you search from, and then type in UDP Custom. We're going to search UDP Custom, choose the first site in your results, and then go where we have those three dashes. You're going to go where we have the UDP, we have the premium UDP, this one. Then let us first watch an ad. Let me pause the video for a moment. Alright, we are waiting for the ad to finish. 1 second, then the ad is done. So let us continue the premium UDP, and then you are going to go where we have the UDP custom server, and then let us close the advert. We're going to go where we have these SSH servers, then we're going to select one of them, and then you're going to go where you can create here, put in your username. You're free to put in miles 27, and then the password 123, and then confirm that you're not a robot. And then after, you go where you have create now, then wait for the server in 9 seconds, if not 6. Wait for a few moments, if not 2 seconds, so that this one can continue to create the server, this website. It will be creating a UDP server, and then after you go where we have this HTTP custom part, then come and then copy. After, return to the HTTP custom application, and then this is what the tech guys don't want you to know. You go just paste, and after pasting, enable the UDP custom, this one, enable that one, the UDP custom, and then you're going to let us test whether it's working. As you see, it is working, but in this moment I'm going to show you how to create your own UDP custom file for Vodacom South Africa. But let us first wait for a few seconds for this advert. Let me pause the video for a moment. Alright, the advert is about to get over. Let me continue to the application, and then we create our own file. Let me first disconnect the VPN, and let us all gather where we have this plus button. Go where we have save, and then go name the file as Vodacom Sa or Za, any of the two, and then put country flag. Then you're free to lock all the payrolls, the note, and we're going to lock it with the password, and then let us first go and then put mistake. Even I can put the flag, then I can put right here mouse take +27 Vodacom Unlimited. Then you put a flag, then you put your contact like +27, that put your contact, and then you're going to come and then you have to set up the password money, and then after you come where you have save, then after saving allow, then after let us go where you have open so that you can be seeing our file. You're going to be seeing it as this one, Vodacom South, and then import it. Put in your password you set it earlier, and then you say submit. You'll be able to see this file you have created, and you see this one, the powered by, and then connect. You see that this application is working, and I sign out.